So we had a quick little overnight to Sedona. We're in the process of looking for some hiking trails, but on the way we have this fancy fountain that was part of a movie called Sedona, and we're coming to check it out. I think this is our fountain. Yeah? Is that a big cool view over there too?
Where is the dragonfly?
I don't know.
Where'd you go?
He went somewhere. So we made our way to the Chapel of the Holy Cross. Beautiful scenery. And we're gonna make our way up there because it's built right into the mountain. So let's go take a look. Found a trail. I think we'll head up there. But we're marching Cathedral Rock.
Are you still making your thing?
Yes. Woo!
Hey!
Got everyone out here. I think our destination is up there. See what we can find on the hike. Hopefully something interesting comes up. All right. We're gonna take Cathedral Rock Trail. Let's go. You can take Murphy. Straight across. Video just doesn't do this stuff justice though. How big it is. That's so steep.
Stop, Dada.
You're doing good, buddy.
Murphy doing a good job?
Murphy's doing good. But yeah, that's so big up there. The trail's not too long. It's not going to do us justice. But that, it's not vertical, but it's a close cousin. And we're going to go straight up. Right out here. In the nothing.
Exercise.
We're going to use exercise, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Exercise. We got a hike up there. So here we go. That's straight. And we're going up. And this does not do it justice. But we got it.
Oh.
You're gonna go straight up.
He can do it. He can do it.
Give him some slack.
How?
We'll unbutton him. All right, climb up there, Mar. Murphy, up.
Can we do it?
This way, Murphy. Come on. I got you.
Good job, Murphy.
Come on, Murphy. Yeah! Is that how the whole thing's gonna be?
Here, yeah, take this.
How's Murphy gonna get down?
We'll help him down. All right, we got up it.
Oh, we could probably just have gone that way.
And we gotta keep going.
Like that?
Whew. It's a pretty vertical part. And then it goes nothing but slick rock up there. And you can't see the trail going because it's up over that cliff.
Oh, I love this cave.
One lane up and down. But that's what we're looking at. That is a vertical climb. Mutt toughed it out. Just gotta go catch up with everyone up there. All right, so we got the parking lot down there. And it was a vertical climb, but we are at the base of these guys. And we got a little bit more to go, and we'll be all the way at the top. Not all the way up, buddy. Just a little bit more. Can't beat that view though, can you? Can't beat that view. Right up between them. Whew. We're in between them now. Made it all the way up here. Big old view. And we got a little surprise here at the top. Little sign action. See what we got. We're at the top. We all made it. Big old walk. Whew.